Hello everyone. Presentation is the norm today. Whether you're giving product demo to your clients, or you're discussing important issues with your colleagues, or you're presenting your great ideas to your top management, you're supposed to prepare a presentation using a presentation software like PowerPoint, etc., and then deliver it within a time limit. Now, here lies the problem. If you don't prepare a professional presentation and deliver a speech, you are considered inferior, and also you can't present facts and figures. And if you prepare a routine presentation in a routine manner in which everyone else does, you don't get the attention because people stopped paying attention to boring and routine presentations. Presentation is an art. Companies are looking for people who are good at presentation skills. Right knowledge coupled with right presentation skills sets you apart and gives you an invisible edge. In this session, you get a lot of inputs on presentation skills, and they are based on research and audience psychology. You get tips on communication skills and how to get audience listen to what you say. This is not a theoretical session where I give you some slides. You will be designing your own presentation and you'll be presenting before the group, and the presentation will be according to your nature and your style, suiting to your personality. I'll be personally reviewing it, I'll be coaching you, and by the end of the session you will be a powerful presenter. See you in the session.